Good morning, my dear daughter. How did you sleep last night?
Good morning, Mom. I had a peaceful sleep. How about you?
I slept well too, thank you. What are your plans for the day?
I have school today, so I'll be attending my classes and working on some assignments. What about you, Mom?
I have some household chores to take care of, and later I'll be going to the market to buy groceries. Is there anything specific you want me to get for you?
Yes, please get some fruits and snacks for me. I'll need them for my lunchbox.
Noted. I'll make sure to get your favorite fruits and some healthy snacks. By the way, how is your school going?
School is going well. I enjoy my classes and my teachers are supportive. I'm also making new friends.
That's wonderful to hear, dear. Building friendships is important. Remember to be kind and respectful to everyone you meet.
I will, Mom. I always try to treat others with kindness and respect. How was your day yesterday?
It was quite busy. I had to finish some pending work and attend a parent-teacher meeting at your younger brother's school.
How is he doing in school? Is he enjoying his classes?
He's doing well, thank you. He seems to be enjoying his classes and has made a few friends too. Speaking of your brother, have you helped him with his homework recently?
Yes, I have. I help him with his studies whenever I can. I want him to succeed academically.
That's very thoughtful of you, my dear. Your brother is lucky to have such a caring sister. Remember, education is important for both of you.
I understand, Mom. I try my best to excel in my studies and encourage him to do the same. Is there anything else you'd like me to do today?
Yes, there's some laundry to be done. It would be great if you could help me with that later in the day.
Of course, Mom. I'll assist you with the laundry as soon as I'm back from school.
Thank you, dear. Teamwork makes the chores easier and allows us to spend more quality time together.
I completely agree, Mom. We make a great team. Oh, by the way, I've been learning to cook. Yesterday, I tried making a simple pasta dish.
That's fantastic, dear. Cooking is a valuable skill. How did it turn out?
It turned out pretty well. I followed a recipe I found online and added some of my own twists to it.
I'm proud of you for exploring new things and being creative in the kitchen. Let's plan a day where we can cook together and try out some new recipes.
That sounds like a lot of fun, Mom. I'd love to cook with you and learn some traditional family recipes.
We'll definitely do that soon. It will be a great bonding experience for us. Now, is there anything else you want to discuss or share?
Well, I've been thinking about joining a dance class. I've always loved dancing, and I want to pursue it more seriously.
That's wonderful, dear. Pursuing your passion is important. We'll look for a good dance class for you and support you every step of the way. Dancing is a beautiful art form that allows you to express yourself and brings joy to your life.
Thank you, Mom. Your support means the world to me. I'm excited to explore the world of dance and see where it takes me.
I believe in you, my dear. Remember, with dedication and practice, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Just follow your heart and give it your all. I'll be here cheering you on and celebrating your achievements.
Thank you, Mom. Your words of encouragement give me the confidence to pursue my dreams. I'm truly grateful to have you as my mom.
And I'm grateful to have you as my daughter. You are growing into a talented, kind-hearted, and responsible young woman. Always remember that I'm here for you, no matter what. We're a team, and together we can overcome any challenge.
I feel blessed to have such a loving and supportive mum. Thank you for being my guiding light and for all the love and care you shower upon me. I promise to make you proud.
You already make me proud, my dear. Seeing you grow and blossom into a remarkable individual brings immense joy to my heart. I'll always be here to support you, encourage you, and cherish the beautiful bond we share.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, my darling daughter. Let's continue this journey together, creating unforgettable memories and nurturing our love and understanding. May our bond grow stronger with each passing day.